In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail inbox settings. First, let's start by opening Gmail. On your computer, navigate to your web browser and type in the Gmail web address. You will see a clean, organized interface with your emails laid out. This is your inbox. It's essential to make sure you are logged into the correct account. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you are in the one you want to adjust. Opening Gmail is the gateway to customizing your email experience, ensuring you can access vital messages efficiently. Once that is done, look for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. You'll find it in the upper right corner of your Gmail interface. Clicking on this icon will bring up a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options, but for now, we need to focus on settings adjustments. This step is crucial because it leads us to the area where you can tailor your inbox to fit your needs. From there, click on See All Settings. This will take you to a new page displaying multiple tabs at the top. You will notice that there are various categories like General, Labels, and Filters. Each tab contains specific settings that you can customize. It's vital to explore these options thoroughly. This ensures that your inbox is organized in a way that enhances your productivity and reduces clutter. Now let's navigate to the Inbox tab. Click on it, and you will see a range of inbox settings available to you. This section is at the heart of your customization process. It allows you to choose how you want your emails to be displayed. Understanding these settings will significantly improve your email management. Under Inbox Type, you have several options to choose from: Default, Important First, Unread First, Starred First, Priority Inbox, and Multiple Inboxes. Each of these options serves a unique purpose. For instance, if you select Important First, Gmail will prioritize emails it deems important. This can save you time by filtering out less essential messages. Take a moment to consider which type best suits your workflow. Next up, configure your inbox options according to your preference. You can select which categories of emails you want to see or hide. This is a critical step because it helps to streamline your inbox. You want to ensure that you are focusing on what matters most. It also minimizes distractions from less important emails, allowing you to work more efficiently. After that, you can choose to turn categories on or off. This feature groups your emails into different tabs like social or promotions. It's helpful if you receive many emails from different sources. If you would rather see everything in one place, you can turn off these categories. This small adjustment can change how you interact with your inbox significantly. At this point, consider changing other inbox settings if needed. You might want to modify how you receive notifications or adjust your display density. These settings can enhance your experience further, making it more tailored to your liking. Remember, a customized inbox can reduce stress and improve your overall email management. Now scroll to the bottom of the settings page. Here you will find the option to finalize your changes. It's important to double-check your selections before proceeding. This ensures that everything is set according to your preference. Finally, click on Save Changes. This action confirms all the adjustments you've made. You will see a confirmation appearing, reassuring you that your new settings are in place. With that ready, your Gmail inbox is now configured to work better for you. Enjoy your streamlined email experience, and thank you for watching.